After that second trip, I started paying attention to stories people usually ignore. Comments under camping videos, small forum posts, buried threads from years ago, different people, different places, same pattern, silence, footsteps, breathing, feeling watched. Some claimed they saw glowing eyes, others claimed they saw tall shapes standing between trees. Most people said they saw nothing, only felt something. One former park ranger wrote something that stuck with me. He said, "Animals don't create silence. Silence happens when animals flee. That means something arrives first, something animals recognize instantly, something they know not to challenge." He also said, "Experienced rangers avoid certain zones, not marked on maps, not blocked, just quietly avoided, no camping, no trails, no explanations." I wondered if the place I visited was one of these zones. Years later, I received an email. A man said he recognized my story. He claimed he had camped in the same forest, same area, same experience, but his night went further. He said he woke up to whispering, not voices, not words, just soft air movement, like someone practicing speech. He never opened his eyes. He stayed frozen until morning. When daylight came, he found handprints on his tent. Not animal prints, human-shaped, but too large. He never returned. After reading his message, I stopped searching. Some answers aren't meant to be found. Some doors stay closed for a reason. Because once you realize something exists, you start noticing patterns. You start connecting dots. And once you see the pattern, you can't unsee it. Sometimes at night, I still wake up suddenly. No noise, no dream, just awareness. I listen. There's always city sound, cars, distant sirens, wind, life, and I'm grateful for it, because silence is no longer peaceful to me. Silence means something is wrong. Silence means something arrived. And if you ever find yourself deep in the wilderness, and the forest suddenly goes quiet, don't investigate, don't look around, don't search for proof. Pack your things, leave, because curiosity is loud, but survival is quiet.